wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel Vibe with KayMarie. Today I'm going to be filming my skincare routine, and I'm just basically going to be showing you what I use, whether it's the morning, the night, how often I use it, and when I use the product. Mainly this is my nighttime routine because once I get home, I take off my makeup and I put my hair up and I put on my headband to start my skincare routine. So the first product I'm using is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliator along with the Exfoliating Pad. FYI, you should be exfoliating every day to remove dead skin cells. And I use this in the morning and the night. The amazing thing is that this product has hyaluronic acid and alpha hydroxy acid, which improves skin hydration so much. So if you're looking for that glowy, dewy skin, those two ingredients are your go-tos. And as you see here, I'm using a paper towel just because your hand towels can hold bacteria, which isn't really helpful if you're trying to reduce acne. Next, I'm using my Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is a really great mask. It does deep cleansing for your pores. I like to mix it with apple cider vinegar. You can mix it with water, but apple cider vinegar works best. It smells terrible, but it does wonders. And you just want to mix it until it is a nice consistency. You do not want it to be too watery. And I also use this product anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week. And here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like when it's all dried. It looks so nasty. It just made me so itchy to look at, but that's what it will look like when it is dried. Ew. It's just, okay. Ew. It's pretty gross. So now I'm going in with my witch hazel, and this is absolutely amazing. It just refines your pores. It makes you feel super refreshed, and it also removes any excess oil and dirt. And for my moisturizer, I'm using the Raw African Shea Butter, and this I specifically only use at night. It is too thick for me to use in the morning, but when I wake up, my face is so glowy and dewy. It is so moisturized. The next thing I'm using is my Glow Serum, which has vitamin C, which is great for brightening your skin, and magnesium, which evens out your skin tone. The last product I use is honey under my eyes, and I leave this overnight. It is filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which is great for reducing under eye dark circles and any pigmentation. Alright guys, and that is it for my skincare routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.
You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, it ain't perfect, but we